Today is April 17th and it's 9:47 a.m. We're at Starbucks right now. We have baby in the back. It is officially birthday prep week. My hair is in a bonnet because I took my braids out. Y'all saw those pregnancy braids. No, those were labor and delivery braids. Y'all saw those labor and delivery braids. We finally took them out after what, 4 months? It is officially birthday prep. Okay, and I couldn't be more excited. Since I had my baby, I've been full on mommy mode. I only got my nails done one time. My baby is 2 months. So I'm excited to pour into me, to look beautiful, feel beautiful, and just be celebrated. And that's okay, because you know what? I feel like it's sometimes hard to accept that people want to celebrate me. My boyfriend celebrates me every single day, every single moment. Sometimes it's almost like imposter syndrome, but I am working to not allow myself to feel that way because I deserve to be treated well. I deserve to be celebrated. Right now we're at Starbucks. I'm going to my mom's house. She's gonna watch Dason while I do some work and then go get my hair done. Also, my sister's washing Dason's hair because he has cradle cap and I just don't do a good job at washing it. So that's the day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, let's get into the video. Hi, yes, can I have a vanilla bean croissant warm?
You said when it come around?
Thank you. Dason, calm down. Dason, calm down. He just about to sleep. Yeah, I don't hear him crying, but he's doing too much, like he's about to cry. Dason, calm down. This is what it is. When I stop, he cries. Calm. Oh gosh. If y'all can see this baby right now. Let me just hold on. 1 second. Why the freak can I do this? Any other time I can push my chair all the way back. Oh, calm down, Sonny. It's okay. Dason, you're gonna have to wait. Oh my gosh, this is the difficult part of like driving along because hold on, guys. Well, you put it over your eyes. It's okay. Okay, I got him calm. When I drive, he likes the vibration. And then when I stop, he wakes up. And another thing is, when he hears my voice and he's sleeping, he wakes up. So I just had to drive really fast a little bit so he can feel the vibration because he's actually hungry. Like, it's time for him to eat. I cannot feed him right now. I could stop and feed him, but the bottle is cold. It's cold outside. Like, I would just want him to be comfortable in the house. And I'm doing too much, so let me go ahead and be safe. So I'll see you guys once I get to my mom's house. We are officially at my mom's house and it's baby central per usual, starting with the Kai Kai. Kai Kai. Kai Kai. And then we have another baby over here. He has shoes on. Look at those feet. I'm about to do some work and then prep for my hair appointment. Actually, let's do some TikToks. I wonder, should I just do TikToks with the bonnet and say, screw it, I'm a mom? So I'm officially on the way to my hair appointment. This is so crazy. I can't believe I'm outside like this. Talking around, make a brain pump. I know I got the first ring the box. I got a thing. I got the gun. As soon as you leave. A boy. Look at this hair.
So you know that's where I'm gonna be at every time I need you.
My hair got longer. Oh. My hair got long. What the freak? No, my hair has never been this long before. That's crazy. Yes. I need to work on these edges because I can see them. They're a little thin. So it looks so natural.
Yes.
My goodness. And I had micro links before, but never this long, and they still look. I always felt like I had to get them, you know, short to look natural, but this looks good.
I feel like somebody's singing with it or something. It is fine.
And look at this hair. So bomb. Good morning. It's the next day. Me and Dayson just woke up. Today is April 18th, and it's like 9 a.m. Yeah, we slept in. Having to get up and pump and feed a baby in the middle of the night, you wake up late. 9 is late for me. But I'm warming his bottle up, and then I'm going to get a little snack for myself. And then we're going to start work and listen to a sermon and continue our day. So today is day 2 of birthday prep. I'm getting my nails done today. And this weekend is going to be warm. Easter is on Sunday, so we'll see what else is going on. I think I need to go get like an outfit or something, but we'll see. So yeah, let's get into our day. You're so loved. You're so valued. You're so everything. God loves you, Sonny. You're going to do amazing things. You're going to do amazing things in this world. You're so abundant. You're so intelligent. You're so creative. You're so protected. Okay, so I just took my hair out of the bun. It still looks bomb per usual, okay? And my son is mad at me right now because his bottle is taking too long. But his grandma's about to come over. I'm gonna shower and just do what I have to do, and then I'm gonna head to the nail salon because I really want to shower, and my boyfriend isn't able to get home at the time I need. So we're gonna, yeah, she's gonna come over and help us out. Guys, we are in the car on the way to my nail appointment, but I am feeling stressed right now. First of all, I can never find nothing to wear in my closet. They did not lie when they said that having a baby, your feet was gonna grow, you were gonna grow. Like, when I say every single thing I put on in my closet, I cannot fit. It's either the arm sleeves are too short, or it's high waters on me now. Like, I understand if your feet grows, that's the main thing people told me was gonna happen, but they never told me I was gonna get taller, my arms were gonna get longer. Like, what the actual heck? Then on top of that, being pregnant and postpartum, I feel so like clumsy. Like, I'm always dropping stuff on my shirts. So this white shirt that I have, the only white shirt I have because I had to throw away the other ones, it has stains on it. Then I had got this other cute set from Target, and I had dropped stuff on that too. It had got stained. I'm just trying to figure out, like, what is going on with my wardrobe right now. I got my hair done. I have freshly full body, no hair, hairless. I'm feeling good outside of me not having nothing to wear, and it's frustrating because you just want to feel cute. Like, my birthday's coming up. I'm going to go get my nails done. Like, I just want to feel pretty. I want to feel like put together, and it's just like, okay, I got some stuff done, but then this stuff is still off. I know that probably sounds a little ungrateful. Let me, you know, frame it in a grateful way. I'm grateful that I have these things. I just want to keep working on the other parts of me that aren't together because I just want to feel good. And I know that's like a thing that I can just feel. I can feel good right now. Things don't have to be done for me to feel good, but I'm almost 2 months postpartum, and it just gets a little frustrating. Like, I feel like I've been doing good with like accepting my reality and knowing that things are gonna get better. This is just temporary. Now I'm just getting to the point where I'm like, okay, when is it, you know, okay. Because the fact that I can't, like, I literally do not feel confident in any of the clothes that I have. I want to throw every last item of clothing out, but then I won't have nothing to wear at all. Like, that's why I'm not going anywhere for Easter. Like, I don't. Yeah, let me stop complaining. I think I'm gonna do these nails. So cute. Either these or these. I don't know which ones. These are really cute. Maybe I'll do these. Okay guys, I got my nails done. And I'm literally about to go to Target to get some workout outfits because I started back working out this week. And so yeah, we're just gonna keep staying positive, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I had another little breakdown in the nail salon just thinking about my like my wardrobe. I don't like it. So I'm going to Target to get some workout outfits so that I can at least feel good while I'm working out. I have new shoes coming that I ordered, and I'm gonna slowly redo my wardrobe, but I'm not gonna overthink it. This is your sign to slowly make changes in your life. Don't freak out, don't stress. Just pray about it and slowly make those changes. And before you know it, you'll have a brand new wardrobe, you'll have a brand new vibe, a brand new rebrand. So let me show you guys up close of my nails really quick. And yeah, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching my birthday prep vloggy. I can't wait to my birthday, and I'm having a brunch, so I'll of course be filming all of that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all of those good things at the emoji accounts, and I'll see you guys later. This is the nail cam. How freaking cute are they? How cute. I feel like these are like creator nails. And these are my real nails. So, yeah. Love you guys.